Good morning, Hope class. Monday, May 4th. This is it, our final few days together. Remember, our class ends this Wednesday, May 6th. This week, the plan is going to be straightforward. We have 3 days together, and I need you to work out 2 of those days. One of the days, you get to create your own 25-minute workout. Have fun, be creative, do your thing. Last time you had an opportunity to do this, you guys did some fantastic workouts. So have fun, create something that you're going to enjoy doing. The other workout, I want you to do this one. Last week I gave you an interval training workout. This week, interval training with a slight progression to it. The rest is going to be different. So this is basically how it works. You set up 2 cones 25 yards apart. You run out and back 6 times. Yes, 6 times. And then it ought to take you about 75 seconds, and then you're going to rest 75 seconds. Then you're going to run out and back 5 times, rest 60 seconds, run out and back 4 times, rest 50, run out and back 3 times, rest 40 seconds, run out and back twice, rest 30 seconds, run out and back once, rest 75 seconds, and then repeat the whole thing. So then you go back to run out and back 6 times. Make sense? It's a really good one. You should be huffing and puffing by the time it's said and done. So let me know how it worked out for you, and I'm sure you're going to be huffing and puffing and a little sweaty with this one. Okay, so since Wednesday is our last day, I need you, please go into RenWeb and fax. Look to see if you have any missing assignments. Yes, I will give you credit, but I need you to submit those assignments no later than this Friday, May 8th. So this is a perfect opportunity. Take the time, go into RenWeb, fax, see if you have any missing grades, get them sent, missing assignments, get them sent to me. I'll give you the grade, and then we will be fine. All right? I want to say thank you very much for a really cool year. It was a great year, and I really do appreciate your patience and understanding and cooperation this last 4th quarter. It has been a bizarre one, to say the least, not only for you, but for the teachers as well. So I just want to say thank you for all that you've done. You've shown great maturity this last 9 weeks. So my encouragement to you is finish the week strong. Finish the last couple of weeks with your other classes. Finish strong, and then we'll have then off to summer break you go. I'm hoping we'll have the opportunity to get together before school next year. I know, doesn't that sound weird? Next year school, but hopefully maybe this virus thing will start to slow down a little bit, and then hope maybe we can get together this summer. So I want you to have a wonderful summer. Be safe, keep working out, and I'm very hopeful we'll get to see each other soon. So I have 2 videos for you. Please watch those, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.